Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn real numbers together, step by step. In this chapter, we look deeper at real numbers, how every number is built from primes, how that gives us HCF and LCM, why numbers like root 2 are irrational, and what decides whether a decimal stops or repeats. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic says every composite number can be written as a product of primes in exactly one way, apart from the order. For example, 60 is 2 squared times 3 times 5. To find the HCF and LCM, factorize each number into primes. The HCF takes the lowest power of each common prime. The LCM takes the highest power of every prime that appears. Take 12 and 18. 12 is 2 squared times 3. 18 is 2 times 3 squared. The HCF uses the lowest powers, 2 times 3, which is 6. The LCM uses the highest powers, 4 times 9, which is 36. There's a handy check. For any two numbers, the HCF times the LCM equals the product of the numbers. Here, 6 times 36 is 216, and 12 times 18 is also 216. An irrational number cannot be written as a ratio p over q. The square roots of 2, 3, and 5 are all irrational, and their decimal expansions go on forever without repeating. We prove root 2 is irrational by contradiction. Suppose it equals p over q in lowest terms. Then 2q squared equals p squared, so p is even. Writing p as 2 meters forces q to be even too. But p and q can't both be even if the fraction is in lowest terms, a contradiction. So root 2 is irrational. Whether a fraction's decimal stops or repeats depends on its denominator. If, in lowest terms, the denominator is only made of 2's and 5's, the decimal terminates. Any other prime factor makes it recurring. 7/8 has denominator 2 cubed, so it terminates as 0.875. But 1/3 has a 3 in the denominator, so it recurs as 0.3 repeating. To recap, every composite number is a unique product of primes. HCF times LCM equals the product of the numbers. Roots like root 2 are irrational, and a fraction terminates only when its denominator is built from 2's and 5's. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.